Hello everyone, I am Srisha. Welcome back to Creative Math 07. In my previous YouTube short video, I explained how to find the degree of a polynomial. If you haven't watched it yet, please check it out. Link will be provided in the description. In this video, let's learn about the types of polynomials by degree and by number of terms with examples. Let's get started. What is a linear polynomial? A polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. Let us see some examples. 3x minus 5. Let us check the exponents of each term. The first term is 3x and the exponent of x is 1. We know that the exponent of a constant is 0. Here the constant is 5 and the exponent is 0. So the highest power of x is 1. So the degree of the polynomial is 1. So this is a linear polynomial. In this way we have to find the degree of a polynomial. X minus 5 divided by 8 is a linear polynomial because the highest power of x is 1. Now let us see some more examples. Root 2x plus 3 is a linear polynomial because the highest power of x is 1. You might wonder or ask why root 2x plus 3 is a polynomial. The reason is that root 2 is just a constant coefficient for x and constants are allowed in polynomials. And also the power of x is 1, which is a whole number. So this is a valid polynomial. For suppose if you have root x plus 1, it is not a polynomial because the power of x is 1 divided by 2, which is a fraction. Polynomials only allow whole number exponents. Fractional and negative exponents are not allowed in polynomials. What is a quadratic polynomial? A polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. So let us see an example. 3x square minus 8x plus 9. To find the degree of a polynomial, we have to check the exponents for each and every term. So check the powers of each term. Here the term 3x square has power 2, 8x has power 1 and constant power is 0. So the highest power is 2. So 3x square minus 8x plus 9 is a quadratic polynomial because the degree of the polynomial is 2. Let us see some more examples. 2y square minus 2 root y plus 6. This is a quadratic polynomial because the highest power of y is 2. 2 root 2 is a constant coefficient of y. This is allowed in polynomials. Z minus 3z square plus root 3. This is a quadratic polynomial because the highest power of z is 2. Root 3 is a constant. This is allowed in polynomials. What is a cubic polynomial? A polynomial of degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. Let us see an example. 4x cubed minus x square plus 6x plus 3. This is a cubic polynomial because the highest power of x is 3. Here the degree of the polynomial is 3. This is a cubic polynomial. What is a biquadratic polynomial? A polynomial of degree 4 is called a biquadratic polynomial. Let us see an example. 2x power 4 plus 3x cube minus 5x square plus 9x plus 1. Check the powers of each term. The highest power of x is 4. So the degree of the polynomial is 4. So this is a biquadratic polynomial. Now let us see standard form of a polynomial. A polynomial in x expressed either in ascending powers of x or in descending powers of x is said to be in standard form. If you observe the example 1 plus 9x minus 5x square plus 3x cube plus 2x power 4, this polynomial is in ascending order. If you reverse it, this polynomial is in descending order. So in this way, you can write the standard form of a polynomial. So now let us see the standard forms for different types. A linear polynomial is of the form p of x is equal to ax plus b, where a is different from 0. A quadratic polynomial is of the form p of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, where a is different from 0. A cubic polynomial is of the form p of x is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a is different from 0. A biquadratic polynomial is of the form p of x is equal to ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e, where a is different from 0. So in this way we write the standard forms. Now let us see types of polynomials by number of terms. What is a monomial? A polynomial containing one term is called a monomial. Let us see some examples. 5x square, 9, minus 8x square, 6x, 2x power 4. If you observe the examples, all these have only one term. So they are monomials. What is a binomial? A polynomial containing two non-zero terms is called a binomial. Let us see some examples. So if you observe the example here, you have two terms in each example. 5x square is the first term and 3 is the constant term. So this is a binomial. What is a trinomial? A polynomial containing three non-zero terms is called a trinomial. Let us see some examples. 2x power 4 plus x minus 1. If you observe the example, you have three terms. The first term is 2x power 4, the second term is x and the constant term is 1. So this is a trinomial. What is a constant polynomial? A polynomial containing one term consisting of a non-zero constant is called a constant polynomial. Let us see some examples. 6 minus 8, 9 divided by 14, minus 7 by 12. All these are constant polynomials. We know that the degree of a constant polynomial is 0. What is a zero polynomial? A polynomial consisting of one term, namely 0, is called a zero polynomial. So the degree of a zero polynomial is not defined. So in this video, we have come across different types of polynomials by degree and by number of terms. I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more.